Welcome to the Oil and Herbs channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a warm and comforting ginger and turmeric carrot soup. This recipe is healthy, easy to make, and perfect for cold winter days. Let's get started with the ingredients. 6 large carrots, peeled and chopped. 1 large onion, chopped. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 4 cups of vegetable broth. 1 teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon black pepper. 1 tablespoon olive oil. And optionally 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley. Instructions. Heat olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Add grated ginger and turmeric powder, cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the chopped carrots and stir to combine with the onions and spices. Pour in the vegetable broth and bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low, cover and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the carrots are soft. Using an immersion blender, puree the soup until smooth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot, garnished with chopped parsley if desired. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy ginger and turmeric carrot soup. This recipe is easy to make and the perfect comfort food for cold winter days. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes.